Hey, even though all the sneakers are getting delayed in June, I still cook. Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to Tamsters Kicks. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on as well. Got lots of new content coming out in the future. Today, got a recap of the last couple weeks here in June. It's been a pretty slow month. We don't have much going on because of a lot of delays with shipping, with products and stuff like that. But you know your boy still cooks, so stick around. Let's recap the week.
So this week I sold 3 shoes, made a nice profit off of all 3, especially those Air Force One daisies and the Krusty Krab.
So this month I've kind of started to get more into brick flipping. It's where you get shoes at discounted prices using coupons or other things like that, and you're able to flip them for a little profit, lunch money, anything like that to kind of keep business booming. So that's what I've been doing this month. My pair right here is going to be the LeBron 17 infrared basketball shoes. Now, don't ask me why the Finish Line shipped these in the biggest box possible, but we got the LeBron 17 infrareds. Pretty sweet colorway actually. These are in a size 10.5. Not bad. I actually dig these. They give me kind of like a Jordan Bread vibe, and I think they're pretty sick actually. These are a size 10.5. If you guys are interested, hit me up before I sell them. They'll be up on my Instagram as well, so check that out. Then we got, I got these for a really good price. These are Kyrie 2 low basketball shoes. Now you know that the plain colors are kind of sick. They look clean with the uniforms and everything while you're playing. And these ones are sweet. Look at those. These are an 11.5. So if you're trying to get these as well, you know where to find it. Instagram's got all my shoes for sale. And these are nice. I have some Kyries that I play basketball in, and I think Kyries are some of my favorite shoes for sure. The traction on the bottom, amazing. So this was a nice cook for me. Kind of thought about keeping it to ball in, but I like the more extravagant, crazy colors for shoes anyway. So hit me up if you guys want these. Okay, so today at work, I went for the mesh site restock, and none of the shoes actually loaded that we all thought were gonna load. None of the Travises, the Brazil Dunks, none of them loaded. So I ended up going for the Fear of Gods again. And I found a $80 off coupon that I tried to use, but I didn't get any of them, so that was a big L.
I'm setting up for the mesh site restocks. I get the SKU of the shoe so I can get the specific shoe. Proxies loaded as well. As you can see, I'm already running some tasks, but I have some loaded as SKU, some loaded as the variant. I change up the delays so that they all kind of have a different way of getting past the queues or adding the shoe to the cart. Especially with mesh sites, it's kind of hard to get the queue all passed, and you really have to just spam it a ton. And so in order to do that, I just kept making new tasks, kept changing up the delays. Now with the Jordan 13 restock, I loaded on both my phone and the desktop. I was going through the different apps, and you really gotta just spam it hardcore. Gotta keep doing it. You have to separate the times as well. You don't want it too close together, but I actually had one added to my cart on the desktop that I didn't notice, so I just checked that one out. And I also ended up getting one on my mobile as well. So it was a pretty successful restock, actually manual.
Another Flint restock. Your boy hit another good size in the Air Jordan 13 Flint restocks. And I actually got an 11.5. And this is my size, so it's gonna be tempting me to keep these because I really, really like this Jordan 13. If you didn't get a chance to check out my Air Jordan 13 unboxing, hit that video link right there. They're a pretty sick shoe, and honestly, I really, really like them. Right there. Crisp colorway. If you haven't already, like I said, hit that video up. I give a good breakdown of these shoes, materials, resale predictions, everything, so check that out.
Alright, and then we had the laser orange Nike SB drop on Concepts, and I really wasn't sure how good I was going to do on this site, but I definitely went for it. As you can see on the screen, you have to log into accounts as well, so I didn't do too many tasks. The bottom 2 tasks didn't do too well. They were trying to get through, finally found the product, but kept getting errors. Those top ones I was able to get CAPTCHAs and get through quick, but unfortunately, as you can see in the video, didn't seem like my tasks were too quick. I did get those CAPTCHAs done in a decent amount of time, so I was hoping maybe I could get through the queue, maybe get one carded and check out as well, but it was a hard drop for sure. I've never done Concepts really because a lot of accounts and a lot of the drops that go through these kind of sites are pretty hard to get manual, and me just starting out with this bot, trying to see what I can do with it for these couple of drops, it was definitely hard to get down the first time. So maybe in the future as I continue to use it, I'll be able to get good at it, but especially on this drop right here, you can tell I'm a rookie, so I took another L for sure.
Now this shoe I was most excited for. These finally came out. I've been waiting and waiting because I think they're super sick. They are a Nike Air Jordan Mid. Now, I think mids are underrated. As you can see, I got those ones up there. Those are some sick mids. My first pair of Jordans actually was the mids up on the top up there, and those are a clean colorway. These ones are probably one of my favorite ones now. In person, they're so sick. Let's just take a look. These just came out, retail at $115. I got them for 90 bucks. Talk about a value. If my boy Haas is out there, value. Bang. Some people are calling them the Dior mids, and these shoes are so sick. The leather quality is actually amazing for a mid. You cannot tell me. This is honestly one of the most underrated releases, I think. They did all like sell out after a while on sites, but I think these are super underrated for sure. Size 11, I'm gonna put them up for sale, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell them. Entertain me with some offers on my Instagram for sure. Although a lot of the sneakers have been delayed, like I said, I have gone for a number of different releases, whether it's restocks, some brick flipping like some of the shoes you saw, and even these new shoes that just came out. The Nike Red Dunks dropped on Dover Street Market, London, and I did wake up 4 in the morning local time for me and try to cop them, and it was unfortunately a very bad experience. I was not able to take a dub. Instead of putting like dunk low, they loaded the product on the site as D.UNKL.OW, so none of the tasks picked anything up. I tried to switch it, it was all too late. I actually got a free bot key, and so I just ran it. Still getting used to it, not the best, but I ran for it. If you don't know, on that site, you gotta get in like 15, 20 seconds or those shoes are gone. And I also tried manually, had no chance at all. Got through the checkpoint, got through the CAPTCHAs, and it was all sold out. So not too worried about that because we got the sneakers drop coming in July, but just kind of sucks that we're waiting all this time for all these releases because your boy wants shoes. As you can tell, I could not just wait. I had to cop some more shoes, try to flip them because I'm just obsessed with shoes. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's vlog. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see in the future and which one of those shoes I copped this week was your favorite. You guys excited for July? It's gonna be a busy month. I got some cop guides coming out as well to help you guys get those nice shoes in July. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.